students, welcome to English Funda Kolkata. I am your Amin. Now I am going to discuss with one of my dearest students about the bad and good impact of mobile phone in our society, that is on young generation. We know that mobile is one of the greatest invention of modern science, in spite of the fact it has both good and bad side. Now, please tell me, what is the good side of mobile phone?
Mobile give us the recent notification,
Okay.
and for this mobile we can learn our lesson from YouTube and many other study related apps. We use Facebook and WhatsApp to connect our nearest friend.
That is a good side. With the help of mobile, we can achieve a lot of knowledge. We can get a lot of information about the world. We can get beautiful books which can increase our
Many
knowledge.
people create online business.
Yeah. But nowadays, the young generation are not using mobile phone in a good sense, is it? What's its bad effects?
If we use mobile day to night, then we are attractive about it. For that, many people use mobile while crossing this road. It causes the road accident.
Road accident. Okay. The young generation.
For that, we cannot study properly.
Okay. And the young generation is not.
There are many cyber criminals who create lots of bad things.
Okay.
They get our personal details and misuse this data and blackmail us.
Okay. Like the young generation, basically the students are involved themselves maximum time in mobile phone. So they are hampering their studies. So what do you tell as a student to the young generation?
For that, a good girl and boy can change to be a good bad boy and girl.
Yeah. So tell something to young generation. Use mobile. Okay, tell.
Don't misuse the mobile.
Use mobile for?
You can use it for
increasing your knowledge. For your good purpose, for your better improvement. Okay, so you are using mobile phone?
Yes.
Which purpose? Tell frankly. Everything. For good purpose, basically.
Yes.
Okay, thank you everybody. So, watch this video and please.
Like, comment and subscribe.
Okay, thank you. See you again on the next video with my beautiful daughter.